Welcome to MHT TV, Fun Learning for Kids.
Hey kid, let's sing today. A to Z, the fun way. Clap your hands, 1, 2, 3. Learn the alphabet with me. A, apple ant. A, apple ant. Apple and ant, apple and ant. A says A. B, B, ball and bat. B, B, ball and bat. Bounce that ball, swing the bat. B says B, B. C, cat and car. C, cat and car. Cat in a car, near or far. C says C. D, dog and drum. D, dog and drum. Happy dog with a beating drum. D says D. E, elephant egg. E, elephant egg. Big elephant, tiny egg. E says E. A, B, C, D, E. Sing along so easily. Clap your hands and follow me. Learning is fun. 1, 2, 3. F, fish and fan. F, fish and fan. Swimming fish and spinning fan. F says F. G, goat and grapes. G, goat and grapes. Funny goat eats purple grapes. G says G. Hey, hat and hen. Hats and hen. Hen and a hat again and again. H says A. Ice in a glue. Ice in a glue. Cold ice house, igloo too. I says I. J, jam and jar. J, jam and jar. Sweet jam inside the jar. J says J. F, we can sing this every day. Clap your hands and shout hooray. Letters make the words we say. K, kite and key. K, kite and key. Flying kite and shiny key. K says K. L, lion leaf. L, lion leaf. Roaring lion, tiny leaf. L says L. M, monkey moon. M, monkey moon. Monkey jumps, moon comes soon. M says M. N, nest and net. N, nest and net. Birds warm nest, catch and net. N says N. O, orange owl. O, orange owl. Round orange wise old owl. O says O. K, L, M, N, O. Sing it fast or sing it slow. Clap your hands, now let's go. Alphabet fun, ho. P, parrot pen. P, parrot pen. Colorful parrot and writing pen. P says P. Q, queen quilt. Q, queen quilt. Pretty queen with a cozy quilt. Q says Q. Doll, R, rabbit ring. R, rabbit ring. Jumping rabbit, shiny ring. R says R. S, sun and star. S, sun and star. Bright sun, sparkling star. S, T, tiger tree. T, tiger tree. Striped tiger by the tree. T says T. Q, R, S, T. Sing the letters happily. Dance around and follow me. Alphabet time. 1, 2, 3. U, umbrella, unicorn. U, umbrella, unicorn. Rainbow, unicorn, umbrella. On U says E, fan and vase. E, fan and vase. Moving van, a flower vase. V says V. W, watermelon web. W, watermelon web. Juicy watermelon, spider web. Zoo says B. X, with a sun open box. X, ink sand foam box. Play the roan, open the box. X says X. Y, yo-yo yak. Y, yo-yo yak. Spin the yo-yo, friendly yak. I says Y. Z, zebra. City zebra. Striped zebra with the zip. Z says Z. Now we learned our A to Z. You did great, amazing. C. Sing again and laugh with me. Alphabet fun for you and me.
Thanks for watching MHT TV Nursery Rhymes. Don't forget to like and subscribe.